In this video, I will show you how to get the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $30,000 in rewards on the platform WEEX. To pick up your bonus, simply go to the first link down in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can create your account by simply entering your email address right here and then click on sign up and receive a new user gift. Then you need to set a password or use continue with Google down here. And within just a few seconds, you created your account. Once you have created your account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And to then pick up your bonuses, simply go up here to the rewards hub and then click on welcome pack. Then you will get to this page right here and you can see what you need to do in order to get your bonuses. First of all, you can pick up your first bonus directly after the sign up. Then you can pick up some of the bonuses by transferring money to your futures account. And then down here, these are the big bonuses that you get when reaching certain trading volume milestones, which can get up to a few thousand. And in total, all of these bonuses in here can reach up to $30,000 in bonuses, which you are easily eligible to by signing up with a link down from the video description.